how to get YouTube traffic. I will do a review of this course called Forsaken Traffic. So stay tuned. Nella Fernandez from Fitpreneurship out here. Okay, let's have a look and see Forsaken Traffic. Okay, so this is from the vendor site. Discover the top secret Forsaken formula for getting page 1 ranking and tons of free buyer traffic directly from YouTube, from Google, without any content creation or technical skills needed. Now, the whole thing about this Forsaken Traffic is Philip is the guy who actually has made this course with Dan, and Philip is going to teach you how to get traffic to YouTube without actually creating any videos. So that's something which is you definitely want to have a look at. Okay, so before we get there, and if you're looking at leaving the 9-to-5 job and earning a full passive income online, you can check my free training. The link will be in the description. Okay, and also stay tuned till the end where I will show you how to get a free landing page builder, and also how to build your email list, how to get a free, almost free email list builder. Okay, so let's get ahead and see what kind of bonuses I have if you do pick this up, Forsaken Traffic, with my link below this out here. So I have specially designed these bonuses to go around with Forsaken Traffic. So passive income on steroids with email marketing. So now with this Forsaken Traffic, you would be driving traffic to your pages where you're going to be capturing email addresses also. So how you can start earning a passive income on steroids with email marketing. Okay, a $97 value bonus out there. Then how to write headlines that sell. So this doesn't necessarily mean only headlines, also YouTube headings. Okay, and also a $67 value bonus on this, as well as you can use these headlines for your emails, etc., your landing pages, etc. Okay, then start earning with a funnel. How you can build your funnel and start earning with that. A $297 value bonus. So a funnel is very important if you're trying to actually start earning. Okay, so how to build that. Then convert your audience into buyers with storytelling. How you can use storytelling to actually convert your audience and people on your email list to buyers. Okay, a $97 value bonus out there. And how to do how to do affiliate marketing the right way. Okay, so a whole course on that, a $367 value bonus on that. Okay, plus a lot of unannounced bonuses of $2,500, total value of over $3,500. So stay tuned for my bonuses. The link will be in the description, and if you do click on that, you come to this bonus page of mine, where if you click on these yellow buttons, it will take you to this page where you can pick up this product. Okay, so that's the same thing which I read earlier. So get an insane amount of free traffic from Google. Now this is using the method he's going to teach in this course. Okay, and this is a great method where actually you really do not have to produce your videos on your own as well, and how you can rank them very easily in Google and YouTube. Okay, so rank and bank the easy way, ideal for newbies and advanced marketers. So not only newbies, even advanced marketers, no prior experience needed. Generate unlimited free traffic to wherever you want. Okay, so now it's we'll talk about the prices also a little later. It's $8.95, a one-time fee, that's it, and you have a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can also go through the sales page and have a look and see a lot of information out here. You can have a look and see what all is there. Okay, so I will not go through it just now. It's quite lengthy. Okay, so if you do pick it up, you would get access to the back end, which is the members area, and this is what you'd see if you do pick it up. Okay, so this is Phil. So Phil will teach you how to get this Forsaken Traffic to basically your YouTube channel, and also to wherever you need. Okay, So via YouTube. Okay, so welcome. So let's look at the sections. So it has the welcome, and then there is this $300,000 a month, how you can start generating things like that. Then introduction by Dan, who's the next joint venture partner in this. Okay, then the overview of the full Forsaken traffic. Then creating your channel. If you do not have a channel, how you can do that. You do not need videos also. Okay, 99% approval of affiliate. Now this is for especially for newbies. Getting approved for affiliate offers is one of the big thing. Okay, so how to do that? He's put training on that as well. Okay, so making the magic happen, etc. Unleashing the power of Forsaken traffic, the true way of financial freedom. He's giving you all the techniques of how to do that, how to actually rank your video, and you do not have to create also video. Okay, so that's the power of this Forsaken traffic. And the upgrades. So various upgrades as well. We'll look through them. We'll go through them and see what all are there. So this is basically the Forsaken traffic in a nutshell. So pretty good stuff if you're looking at ranking your videos, etc. Okay, so let's move on and have a look at the pricing structure. What does it cost? Okay, so initially this is a relaunch. So initially it was to $12.95 and then a relaunch of $8.95. So this is the price presently, and I guess if you would maybe say, I'll refresh this page. If you do refresh this page, you should get a discount if you click away. Yes, see, you get 20% Forsaken discount as well, Forsaken traffic discount. Okay, so you can get on top of this $8.95 value, you can also get a discount of 20% as well. Okay, so you can try and get that. Then the pro version, customer will find out how they can tap into 20 plus more traffic. Okay, so how you can get even more other traffic streams. Okay. Then you have the next upgrade, which is local takeover. Okay, so find out how to use the strategy to help local businesses rank their website with only 10 minutes of work. So now if you want to help others and make money from that, so you can act as an agent kind of thing. So how you can help other businesses rank their websites with only 10 minutes of work. Okay, so something you might want to consider getting if you are looking at that kind of business model. Then the upgrade fee is done for you, super funnel. So if you want a funnel done for you, you can go on for this upgrade. And licensing rights, where you can get 100% commissions on the whole funnel. Okay, so where if you sell Forsaken traffic as your own, basically you'll get full licensing rights, that is 100% commissions on that. And then okay, what else? Incoming overhaul, that means you get 100% licensing rights to all our past products. Okay, so this is something which is pretty good. Whatever products Phil and Dan have taken out, you can get 100% commissions on all of them, so you can use them as your own products and basically get 100% affiliate commissions on them. So it's as if they were your own products. Okay, and it's all backed by a 30-day money back guarantee. Okay, so one thing, if you do pick up even this front end version, which is the $8.95, and if you will get even the 20% discount on that, so if you do get that, the front end version also, you will get all my bonuses, which I promised, of over $3,500. So something which you might want to consider. And if you do pick it up, you'll get a Warrior Plus receipt like this. So the green button will give you access to the product, and the blue button will give you access to my bonuses. So that's it for Forsaken traffic. And stay tuned for my other videos where I will show you how to get the free landing page builder and how to also get almost a free email marketing tool. Okay, so stay tuned for that. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment if you wish, and hit the bell icon if you want to be notified of future videos coming up. Okay, take care. I'll see you in the other videos.